object, not even a human being. AyEka. If you think you people, the way you are not paying attention to how this government is going, where Jimmy? Okay? Why Jimmy? Because and that difference has been struck by your own president, Kevin Taylor, John Mahama. No describe somebody like me that I'm talking, say, me a elite voter, and describe you that is trying to say I have a problem. You're asking me if I'm okay. That's no. Oh, I join. To say proko adie. Na proko woody in swa clean jarino na ho ye fita white. Na wo jana manakwa. Okohu madi water. Odwin say in swa fita na wodi jarino ne ho aye shine. Wanya adie na wakoda madi. Adane ne ho asore na ne ho aye basa. That is the brain that you people you carry. Okay? You carry. That's the brain that you carry. Internal. If you want to prove to us, say, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, a weakling. Kahona Mahama. Let Mahama behave like he's even a man. Let him behave like he is a man first, before we now ask you people to let him behave like he's a president of this country. What? What? Do that for us. Yensromo. Ghana na ayafo. And when you see a desperate dude like him, who take advantage of any sensitive situation to get his bidding and the bidding of his criminals association. Now you won't say, onu moment na man, onu moment na abaso, onu moment na strong person, but we regard people who demonstrate resilience, discipline, focused, and purpose-driven as people who are weakling in our society. But a day beba. Yariani ayabo amunyina no. Yenimi say there are good amount of you people that will come out of your what? Your subconsciousness, and that dark place. They've kept you to be better for yourself, not for me or for any other person. Because Ghana no, yeah. Me no yeti social media say me kasa wo kasa. You are typing what you like there. Everybody so. Everybody so. Nipa omuwu obaku sesia no. What is Mahama busiani ewubi? The student they went to Nalerugu and dragged out and shot and killed. He has no any relationship with the Mahama. So Asemba, you that you choose to please your nonsense political egos, you can't assemble with facts and now one join. You want to come here and type rubbish to feel better, no? Either say no two no ebe bow and say about me. Yes, because the truth is that we are all like goats in front of Mahama. Adia our peno, wa akoka, ya di amano, wa dini power. We have to learn how to what? To speak the Nigerian pidgin. We have power mongers right now who go fit tell you anything. Tellable. And they don't care what happened to you afterwards. So, the time that you just listen to a politician without reasoning, now every word that comes out of a politician's mouth should undergo processing, should undergo data processing in your head before you settle for which party to what to vote for. Today they are saying that Bawumia is a weakling. He's a robot. And I'm asking, I regard this government as what? Kevin Taylor-led Mahama government. Yes, it is coming from the NPP camp, unfortunately. But we cannot ignore the fact that there are people with NDC characteristics who have found themselves, unfortunately, in the NPP party. And they are what? Pushing the NDC agenda within the NPP. And that is what? Honorable Kennedy Ajipong. Yes. And I'm not saying it out of hearsay. I'm a citizen of this country. I watched him when he lost primaries. Bien na no ka say party no me free mu. But metiti party no. I watch him use his own mouth to tell the whole Ghana that say NPP for and to about mana now one di omwenim for presidential election. He will make sure that they lose the election. He made sure they lost the election. But like I said, the voices that are rising up to speak for the NPP, 80% of them are not a faithful patron like Kennedy Ajapong. Even he himself should be scared, because no matter what, if you manipulate your way and forcefully put yourself there, he should also be rest assured that we're going to take him down. We will make sure in this country that he never senses what it is to be called a president. But I may patch and say, if you are calling Bawumia a weakling, what do you call Mahama? NDC people. You sat there and watched an American fat boy controlling your so-called messiah like a robot. Do you know why? Mahama is such a weakling to an extent that every criminal in this country have dirty records of him. So, he cannot function. The moment they issue one threat to him, he surrender and follow their bidding. Like a criminal, they pointed handcuffs and gun on him. That is why he has decided to dog all of the mouth-watering policies that he sold to you. And his focus is on what? Eliminating leaders who demonstrated resilience, discipline with our taxpayers' money, and constantly come out to boldly dare him to bring any evidence that shows that they worked against the ordinary Ghanaians by what? Eating their tax. He cannot. But he just, by all means, have to forcefully take those people out, because Mahama has eaten from every criminal pot in this country. What did he from bowls that, as a figure that want to lead a country, should not dare go close? Kevin Taylor has his dirty secret, so he cannot do anything. All the people that are doing galamsey right now, they have his dirty secret. So that's a weakling. And if you want to inform the ordinary Ghanaian who a weakling is, let us go. Let the Ghanaian know. See Mahama leading like he is a man of his own with a mind of his own. Let us see Mahama leading this country like he sold policies to you and not criminals to you. Only then with anybody to come and tell us, the Ghanaian people, that Bawumia is a weakling. Only then will you have a point. Until then, you people have us to contend with. Yes, Romo. Moya mo wanza Ghana. Mo sorry na mo na mo bie mo ano, and you talk anyhow. You talk loosely anyhow. And it make waves because we are in a country that a lot of negativity sell out so easily. Then you think that because you talk loosely and a trend, it makes you qualify to govern. Because to me, so life is so a problem. You never offer any solution. But what to me, life is so now we're trying for insults. You take advantage of what sensitive situations to win power. Onu momo ene what strong person, and Dr. Elijah Mahmoud Bawumia is a weakling. More bottom from Kennedy Japan to whoever perpetrating this. You are mad. You are crazy. Yeah, catch Kennedy Japan. If you want Ghanaians to know, say you are strong and not a weakling, we want you to call Mahama to order. Prove yourself to the Ghanaian people that you are indeed strong. If you want Ghanaians to believe that, yes, you are the guy to lead NPP and Ghana, Besenko Boko, 300 people have died so far. Go there and go and restore peace. If you NDC people think that you have any moral or, in fact, right to tell the Ghanaian people who a weakling is and who a strong person is, tell Mahama to go to Boko right now and do that which he went and promised the Boko people that he would do. Okay? To demonstrate that, yes, indeed, he's a man of his own. Tell the Kevin Taylor-led Ibu Mahama, say, on sound come back, no coach wrote the book. Now what Troy and told the whole Ghana that, oh no, he has no mind of his own. He is the most confused element of a human being in this country. On sound coach wrote book for and tell Ghanaian people, say, now, no, he has a mind of his own. And use that mind of his own he used to declare his stand for another tribe in Boko that is killing people now today like animals, to go and fix it. So we know how strong he is. Moka say ye diagro. Moka say ni mu diagro. Mo Kevin Taylor Mahama led Purako. Moka say mu yanimu diagro. Oh sorry ya wa no wa. Dr. Bawumia is a weakling. Tell me one thing that has demonstrated that Mahama is even a thing to be regarded as a man at this era. Tell me one thing. Someone that is being controlled by criminals. Today, under Mahama's era, all of the people that are doing illegal mining, special prosecutor will come. He's my president because people like you exist and they vote for him. Special prosecutor will come and say, arrest this MP who is doing bad in Galamsey. And the NP who is of the NDC is audacious enough to come out and threaten him and threaten whoever that is telling the police to come and arrest him. Say, they shut up.